Think Up in Davao City is one of the best ambiance for a coffee shop in the city. The place is just so relaxing that it is really conducive to studying and working, or maybe if you're taking the very important me time. Think Up had gone through several renovations in the past few years, but I think the best decision they had come up so far was to make an extension. Now, the newly renovated cafe is more spacious with a superb ambiance where you can literally think up. In this vlog, we ordered some of their best sellers and checked how they fared. So, we had our Angus beef hot dog in black rice, Spaminator sandwich, matcha latte, milk tea, and the green tea juice. So, their green tea juice was so perfectly blended, you will really taste the organic ingredients from the green tea to the cucumber and the lemonade added to this drink. It tasted so well, it's not too sweet, not too blunt either. Just a beverage that is light and flavorful at the same time. Then we had their matcha latte milk tea. Yes, we know this is a coffee shop and their expertise would most likely be on the coffee department. But we have to give props to Think Up for serving us a delicious and healthy milk tea drink. With this one, you can truly say that it's legit. The ingredients were pure and fresh, but despite having a raw and real matcha in it, it still tasted good. Some matchas we've tasted before could have a bitter aftertaste, but this one didn't have that issue. Then the Angus beef hot dog in black rice. We appreciate a nice combination for this one. Everything in this plate tasted so good. Even the black rice surprisingly was good, and the added side dishes. And we heard that they're actually using organic egg and rice on their food items. All the more that we should patronize this one. And then our favorite among all the ones we ordered here is the Spaminator sandwich. This one is just so delicious. Oh, delicious actually is an understatement. We just can't get enough of this one. Every bite was so heavenly, and we just love how the spam meat, the bread, and the cheese complemented well to create a very exciting sandwich. So, we love everything about Think Up. We just hope that they continue to serve quality food and beverages, and they add more food items on their menu as it is still so limited at the moment. Alright, so for more reviews on food, restaurants, places, and events, make sure to like and share this video and hit subscribe.